here's a little time lapse of an elephant because I love little Ellies. I think I did this one for Valentine's. Not sure why I drew a duck. I can't remember if I did this one on stream, and maybe that was part of the conversation at the time and I just decided to draw a little duck on the side. Sometimes happens. But anyway, I wanted it to have a little bit more of a watercolor type effect to it. So I used some of the Max Packs brushes, which are my favorite ones to use on Procreate, and some general graphite ones. And yeah.